So number one, 71% of Americans wear glasses. If you ask a random person whether he or she wears glasses, what is the probability the person does not wear glasses? Miles, what do you think we're going to do?
30. Oh, okay.
What are you going to do to get the answer, though? So 71% wear glasses. So if we are looking at 100% of the people in America,
minus 100%.
and we subtract the 71% that do wear glasses, what do we get?
29.
29.
What the heck?
What is that magical number?
So 29% does not wear glasses. Number two, a spinner with 3 equal size sections marked A, B, and C is spun 100 times. The results of the experiment are shown in the table. What's the experimental probability of landing on A? So experimental, that means we're looking at this data. We're looking at this table. So out of 100 times, how many times did they land on A?
14.
14. So we're going to put 14 on the top. That's how many times it occurred. And you're right, we have to reduce it. So
Do we put 14%?
No, you put 50 over.
no, so we're looking for the probability. So we want it to be a fraction. You can start off trying to reduce it by 2. 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2 goes into 100. 50, and that's as low as we can go. So the rest of this will be on your own, but I want you guys to look at a problem on the back.
What?
So look at number 9 on the back page. So Maya rolls a number cube, or to us, that's just a dice with 6 sides, 2 times. What's the probability of rolling a 6 2 times? So if you roll a dice, if you roll 1 dice 1 time, that's 6 possibilities. There's only 6 sides. Good. So if you roll 2 dice, 2 die, then that would be out of 12. Okay? Good. Y'all are on the right track. I just wanted to make sure you
Yeah.
out of 12. Well, yeah, 1 6.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you meant first off. Okay, rest of this you're doing independently on your own. Raise your hand if you have any questions.